we've lost a lot of weight, and one of the things that really helped us throughout that journey is the food, because the diet, you cannot out exercise or out cardio a bad diet.
Yeah, no, the diet, because in the beginning I was trying to do cardio and continue to eat the same amount of food.
We want to share with you our favorite oatmeal recipe, because we discovered there is such a thing as savory oats, and it's like a brain switch you have to do, because
when you look at it, you might be like, no, never gonna do that.
Right, because oatmeal for a long time is sweet.
Supposed to be sweet.
Right. So to go from oatmeal being sweet to savory is a mental shift you have to make, but once you make it, it opens up a whole world of discovery. We're here at Walmart, and this is our nephew Seth. So
all right, so
we're trying to educate him.
Wait.
Yes.
So what I just told him was that he needs oatmeal, he needs a protein, and then he needs seasoning for his savory oats. And what did you ask me?
I mean, I was like, I've never heard of someone putting meat in oatmeal. And I was just like,
and he said,
nasty. I thought it was gonna be nasty.
He doesn't know yet, so he still might think it's nasty.
I've never heard anything of savory or oats in my life, or putting meat in oatmeal ever.
So how did you want to start your oatmeal?
I have no idea.
No, I mean, like, what did you think when we asked you to do this?
Oh, I was like.
You can make oatmeal, right?
Yeah, I can make oatmeal. I was just like, this must have been like a new trend or something, because I've never heard of this. And it sounds nasty. Shrimp and oatmeal just sounds even worse.
He said shrimp and oatmeal, and I'm gonna put an egg in it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna put egg in mine too. And veggies. Oh my God, it's gonna be great. Like, for real.
Okay, so then, here's another thing.
Yes.
At the end of making it, the person who's gonna judge us is Amalachi.
Okay.
He's gonna taste all of them and tell us who did the best.
Can I eat it after?
You can eat yours, yeah. But if you don't like it, you still have to eat it. I'm just kidding. Beef and rice.
Close to $25.
Yeah, you probably won't.
Yeah, but it's $25 for the whole thing. So whatever you could come up
For
with.
the meat and everything.
Everything. So not only do you have to get creative, you have to be on your budget.
All right.
Quick oats or the old-fashioned ones, whatever one you want.
Old fashioned.
You like the old fashioned?
Yeah, he's going with old fashioned.
Old fashioned is really good. Like, you can't ever go wrong with old fashioned.
You can go wrong. It's
you can.
nasty. Joe, which one do you want?
The small, the
You
regular.
want this one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get this one, and then you get this one, and then he wants this one.
Old fashioned is just better.
Seth, you get to take yours home because we're not eating that.
Yeah. When I'm making the oatmeal, I just like put meat on it and just like mix it up and call it a day.
If that's what you want to do.
I mean,
I'm
yeah,
not giving you any more examples because
no,
you're gonna
no.
take it, and then I'm not gonna win, and I'm about to challenge
I'm
you.
a newbie at this. You guys have been doing this.
Okay.
Is there any extra seasonings that you'd like to get, or do you have your seasonings already?
I think my seasoning is at home. The only thing I would like to get is the teriyaki sauce.
Oh, okay. So then we're going to the sauce aisle. Do you want any vegetables in a can?
I want the frozen vegetable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want any vegetables? You don't want vegetables?
I'm thinking.
I think he's still struggling with the fact that he has to put meat in oatmeal.
I feel like I would do broccoli.
You would
wanna-
do
okay,
broccoli?
so we're
Okay,
gonna
you
do
should
this-
get broccoli then.
Yeah.
This side. Let's go here. You can do whatever you want with it. Then there's ground turkey.
No, I was close.
What are you doing?
I was close.
I
Turkey?
want turkey.
Joe's doing turkey.
I want 99%.
Look, you could do an actual turkey. You never tried that.
What's the content?
4 ounces is a serving. It's 100 calories.
Oh, okay. All right, I'll do that. I think that'll be more fun.
Joe's never done this before, so it's gonna change his experience
Yeah,
also.
you guys have to do like something random, so it'll be like on the same playing field.
Okay, fine.
So that's Joe.
I'll get random. Okay, cool.
That's Joe's random.
Yes.
Okay. Do you want this kind?
I want that cup of kind.
All right, so. What do you think?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a smaller one.
Yeah. I wonder, would I cook it? When I cook the meat first and then put it in the oatmeal?
Yes.
Okay, just say. Thanks for the help.
Or do you want this kind of beef? This one's smaller.
No, I think I like the chunkier.
Okay.
Besides, if I want that,
Remember, if you make a lot and you don't like it, you still gotta finish it.
But-
At least I know I'm gonna like what I make.
I just.
Well, you don't have to cook all the meat. Like you could
Yeah,
take
'cause
some of the
that's-
meat and then freeze the rest.
freeze the rest, so like if it's too big, I just cut it up. So like that one gives me more effort.
Got it.
For
Okay.
mistakes.
All right, cool.
All right, so I'm going to. So we have a turkey, we have a beef, and now I'm gonna do a fish one. Let's see which fish I'm gonna
Fish
get.
oatmeal still
Okay,
sounds bad.
so you're not doing your normal shrimp. You're going with something.
Well,
different.
because he said he'd try it a little different.
Try
like I'm
different,
doing
'cause
something
it's
that
not-
I've never done,
Yeah,
so I'm gonna pick a
if
different
you
one.
do shrimp one, then it's like Alicia's like, oh, how do you know this? So it's like unfair.
I'm nervous because I don't know. How about this? Tuna.
Oh, that sounds like. Now I want to eat hers.
Tuna, tuna.
See what happens is
my goodness.
eventually I end up liking hers.
So I've never
better than
made a
mine.
tuna steak before.
Yeah,
So
never
then-
not really on the playing field, but
Yeah,
close
no,
enough,
we
close
level
enough.
the playing field. We're all
Yes, now
trying
we're all
something.
doing something that
Look,
we don't
so-
know about.
Look, let me see
Yeah.
it. So we got me with
Turkey.
turkey, regular turkey. Seth is going with beef, and then you're going with tuna. Now, if that doesn't make some interesting savory oats, I don't know what else is.
I think
I
that
will
sounds
go-
good.
I think I will go. I think I like this mixed veggies right here. So I think I want. Yep, that's it. I'm gonna go with California style mixed veggies because they got carrots and broccoli, and it just looks. It looks like it will go well with what the heck I'm trying to create.
Sweet peas. I got my broccoli.
Put it in the bag. Why would you put your Zolax?
Okay.
This is gonna be.
It's gonna be interesting.
I don't know what is
Kale-
gonna happen.
kale
I
and
have
okra.
kale and
Wait.
okra.
I think I'm playing mine even safer than I'll let you just went all the way left.
Yeah, I'm totally doing something I've never done before. Like, Joe, you should do Brussels sprouts. I'm
nah.
just kidding.
Ew.
No. Nope.
Try that.
Japanese what?
Soy sauce, ginger, garlic. It's
Uh,
You're making Japanese style, right?
Yes, but I think I'm
So
gonna
look,
stick with teriyaki.
There's a
Yeah, keep it
Japanese
simple.
barbecue sauce,
Nah,
Japanese.
bro. No, I'm already taking risks. I
Keep
know
it
what a
simple.
teriyaki is gonna taste like, so let's just give me teriyaki and call it a day.
It does sound
Wow, they have
Wait, like-
pickled okra? What is
Okay,
that?
now you have to do it.
No.
Pick
good.
no.
Come on. Get,
Lucky's just like
get
gonna
nuts.
make like some concoction that's gonna
Pickled okra sounds dangerous.
Ew, let's keep going.
Girl, you know you just my type, babe.
Let's do Seth's first since he's the
No,
guest.
Seth, you're the guest.
Nah,
No,
I
you're
want to go
first.
last.
No, okay.
Okay, fine.
So
All right,
let's go,
my
Joe?
stuff first, yes.
Yeah.
All right.
2. I feel like education's pretty cheap.
Wow, $3 total so far.
Yeah. Sorry, Seth.
There goes his price
$13.
went up.
I shot up.
And then this one, right?
Yep.
15.
15 bucks.
All right, so that's Joe at
That's
15.
me?
So that was Joe. Now
Yes.
it's my turn.
Yes, your turn.
All right.
I'm nervous.
Got the most.
Yes,
She got the
but
most
that's not
stuff.
like she
She
gets
got the
the
most.
most expensive stuff.
She's only $1.
$1.
$3.
That's how Joe was with his second item.
Yeah, it is. She just shot up.
Yes, because of the meat.
Yeah, and look at that one. 535. Ooh.
That's it.
That's it?
That's it? What?
Oh, wait. Sorry, go back. I got my oatmeal.
I was about to say, like, what is that? That's
Dang it. Okay.
At least she is
Fine.
$13.01.
So I'm losing at this point.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Seth, your
Okay.
turn.
Wait, come on. All right.
Two-
His was, I don't know.
248. Oh no, we're already starting off with a bad start.
Nervous? Let's go.
1376. Oh yeah, I won this one.
He said I won this one.
I won this one. Only 13.
Nope.
He lost. I win.
I told you the meat. I told you the meat.
Hey, but it was, you still beat Joe.
Yeah, I
Joe
lost.
lost.
Like
Yeah,
I
Joe
lost.
lost.
I lost bad.
Joe lost terribly.
So the rule is you get one pan only.
One pot.
One pot or pan. And you get to pick one out of these options. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 choices.
Okay.
And then that's the one you use for your whole food. So your vegetable, your protein, and
Girl, you know you just my
see who
type.
has what. There's three different options, right? So it's
I had to bring it
presentation.
back.
You're
I had to bring it
you're
back.
voting on presentation. you're voting on creativity, and then you're voting on taste.
So we came here to try all of them. So far, from what's the word? From like a
Outside?
Visuals.
nah, first time like perspective or look at it, it looks good. All of them look good. So shout out to you guys for that. First tasting looks good on all of them. Then there's
Here's
2, then
one
there's
and
3.
this one.
So did I put it in 1,
No,
2,
just
3, or
pick-
just which one's the best?
Yeah, exactly.
This one.
Okay,
This one got the eggs. It got the vegetables on the side. It has the meat, and then it has the oatmeal on the bottom. So all you're doing is just scooping in, and you get in a whole bunch of everything.
Alright, so
So-
Oluchi, that is Oluchi's plate. She scores 1 for presentation. Who's number 2?
Number 2,
Presentation.
I like the simplicity of this one. And I also like the simplicity of this one. I like how it's like all separate, but I gotta go with this one.
So who won the prize competition? You,
I
Oluchi?
did.
So Oluchi's trailing ahead by 2, and then Seth is second for prize, and I'm third. So I came in second for presentation.
Right.
Alright, cool. So now it's time for taste.
one. So I'll give you a
Taste.
fork or a spoon. Which one you want?
I want to try this beef one. I guess this is, I don't know who this is, but let's try it out, see if it's good or not.
It looks so good though.
Alright. It's valid. It's not bad. A little salty, but it's good.
Wait, clear your mouth palate first.
Oh,
Yeah. The food. You got
You already give him a cup.
alright.
Okay, so your first experience on the first bowl.
So this one, the beef one, it's good. Beef is really good cooked. The broccoli is really good. It's just salty. That's all. So it is really good. So whoever did a good job.
So then
Yes.
a one out of 10 for that.
Yeah.
What do you give it?
1 out of 10.
It is still pretty good. So I give it a 7.5.
7.5. You said that's solid.
Nice.
Okay.
7.5.
All right, now we're going to try this one, which I'm pretty sure has okra right on this right here.
Yeah.
Okra, spinach,
Actually, it's kale, okra, kale, tuna, and
Eggs.
eggs. Cool beans. Now, me personally, I never ever eaten tuna like that, but I'm willing to try it. It looks really good. So let's give it a bite. Actually, let me get some of this too as well. That's really good.
I'm nervous.
He took multiple bites.
Well, he had to get a
Yeah, I had to get a whole bunch of. I gotta do a bunch of everything, so I made sure I got the complete plate. That was good though. That was really good. I'm also not that big a fan of pink meat, or like not pink meat, but not fully cooked meat. But that tasted really good. So I just went on an 8.5. This was really, really good.
Alright.
I also don't like vegetables that much, but the vegetables are also really well seasoned and everything. So that was really great. All right. On to the last one. Finally, we have some teriyaki turkey and eggs, vegetables. It looks good. I can't wait to try it. Let's see. This is the one I was most excited to try because really unique. It's also really good. Okay. Now, for me personally, these two are tied. But the only reason why I give this one an 8 and this one an 8.5 is because the oatmeal on this one doesn't overpower the rest of the food. It's all just a perfect blend. On this one, I can taste the oatmeal. The oatmeal has like its own flavor, and then there's another flavor and everything else. So it's like, so everything has like its own like thing going on, and it's just like a little too much. But that one, it all tastes like it all balances out. It's really good. So this one's really good. I give it an 8, but this one's an 8.5 just because of that.
Woo! All that you want! So this was a lot of fun to make. It was like definitely a family endeavor, and we plan to make a whole lot more of these and involve the rest of the family, and we'll do different foods, different cultures. We have Jamaicans, Nigerians, Americans, all kinds of different cultures. So we hope to keep doing this. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it, share, subscribe, comment, and we'll keep you rocking.